Want to share large files, but can't find easy method? Do not install any third-party app. Just use file.pizza browser AI website without storing any data. Because it uses peer-to-peer magic to send files directly to any person. No middleman. No server, just your browser to theirs. Follow me, open browser, visit File Pizza website and drag your file. Want to set password? It's up to you. Now click on Start button and boom. Share the link or scan the QR code, like this. Open any device like I'm using mobile phone right now. Now scan the QR code and just directly access that file without storing any server. You can see here file, downloaded directly, mean no one can see us. And like this, you can share 100 of GB data somewhere without buying any cloud storage. Okay, done. Oh, and it's encrypted end to end. Even I can't see your cat videos. Now subscribe. Right now, and also share this hack with your friends.